gently and wait until it thickens and bubbles. Can never happen soon enough for me, but please don't put it on a high heat because you'll burn the sugar in here. So gentle heat, just keep the bottom free from any settling sugar. Have fun. Getting there, getting thicker and quite gel-ish look. Almost, I'll just give it another, oh see that? See how it's getting thicker? Almost there. Then it's time to take it off the heat and add the cubes of butter to cool it down. Then add the egg mixture and put it back on the boil, or at least on the simmer, stirring until it's the thickness you require for your lovely lemon curd. Right, the curd is now like a thick custard, and I'm just about to turn it off and pour it into a jar.